Hello students, how are you? Today we will discuss about one of the important method of integration, that is nothing but substitution method. In my first video, we already started this method, integration by substitution method, but I am taking simple question. Today we will first of all prepare some standard formulas. Standard formulas by using substitution method. One of the formula is number one, integration of tan x dx. Integration of tan x dx. You know, derivative of tan x sec square x. Therefore, integration of sec square x dx is nothing but tan x. But what is integration of tan x? That's why using substitution method you can prepare this formula. There are two different methods. Number one, use relation tan is nothing but sin x divided by cos x into dx and put cos x is equal to t. Use substitution denominator equal to t. Therefore, differentiate both sides. Differentiate both sides, we get minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Transfer this negative sign on that side. Sin x dx is nothing but minus dt. Okay. Therefore, our integration of I is nothing but integration of tan x dx means integration of sin x divided by cos x dx become sin x dx is nothing but minus dt, and what about cos x, that is equal to t. Okay, negative sign you can take outside the integration, dt divided by 1 upon t dt or dt divided by t. And what is the integration of this? Which is equal to log of mod of t plus c. Resubstitute the value of t, you will get minus log of mod of, what is the value of t? T is nothing but cos x plus some constant of integration. Isn't it? Minus log of mod of cos x plus c. Okay. This is one of the formula for integration of tan x dx. Integration of tan x dx is nothing but log of mod of, negative sign is also there, minus log of mod of cos x plus some constant of integration c. This is one of the formula. Got it? You can use another method and prepare this formula, integration of tan x dx. In this case, first of all, let I equal to tan x, given question, multiply numerator and denominator by sec x. You multiply numerator and denominator by sec x. Therefore, I become integration of sec x tan x divided by sec x into dx, and use substitution denominator equal to t. Sec x is equal to t. Okay, sec x is equal to t. Differentiate both sides. Differentiate both sides. What is derivative of sec x? Sec x tan x into dx is equal to dt. Therefore, numerator sec x tan x dx is nothing but dt. And what about denominator? T, which is equal to integration of dt divided by t. And what is integration of 1 upon t dt, which is equal to log of mod of t plus c. Resubstitute the value of t, log of mod of sec x plus some constant of integration. Means another formula for integration of tan x dx is nothing but log of mod of sec x plus c. Generally, students are using second formula. Students are using or remembering second formula. Integration of tan x dx is nothing but log of mod of sec x plus c. Both are only looking different formulas, but after simplification, both are same. Okay. Again, simplify further. You will get log of sec means what is the relation between sec and cos? Sec theta is nothing but 1 upon cos theta, means cos x plus c. Okay. And mod means only magnitude. Okay, don't think about the mod. Take this cos term in numerator, you will get log of cos x raised to minus 1 plus c. Apply third rule of logarithm, this negative sign take in front of log, minus log of cos x plus c. Means again you will get, simplify some 2 or 3 tests further, you will get same formula. Only looking different formulas, but both are same. Got it? This is one of the formulas, standard formula integration of tan x dx. Similarly, another standard formula is like this. Integration of cot x dx. Integration of cot x dx. First of all, let I equal to integration of cot x dx. Then use relation cot means cos x divided by sin x into dx, and use substitution sin x is equal to t. Differentiate both sides. What is derivative of sin x? Cos x dx. What is derivative of t? 1 dt. Not necessarily write 1. Therefore, our question I is nothing but integration of cos x dx is nothing but dt. And what about sin x? Sin x is nothing but t. Because I am substituting sin x is equal to t. Then 1 upon t dt is nothing but log of mod of t plus c. And resubstitute the value of t, you will get log of mod of sin x plus some constant of integration c. This is the second standard formula. Integration of cot x dx is nothing but log of mod of sin x plus some constant of integration c. Okay. Similarly, you can prepare formulas for sec x and cosec x. Integration of sec x dx. Okay. What can I do in this case? Integration of sec x dx. First of all, let I equal to integration of sec x dx. Multiply numerator and denominator by sec x plus tan x. You will get which is equal to integration of sec x into bracket sec x plus tan x divided by sec x plus tan x into dx, because here denominator is 1. Multiply numerator and denominator by sec x plus tan x. Okay. Then use substitution, denominator is equal to t. Sec x plus tan x is equal to t. Differentiate both sides. In left hand side differentiate with respect to x, and right hand side differentiate with respect to t. What is derivative of sec x? Sec x tan x. And what is derivative of tan x? Sec square x into dx is equal to d. Take common sec x, you can take common, you will get sec x into bracket tan x plus sec x into dx is equal to dt. Therefore, our numerator sec x into bracket tan x plus sec x addition commutative. Doesn't worry about that. Means numerator is nothing but dt and denominator I am supposing t. Therefore, our question I is equal to integration of dt divided by t means 1 upon t, which is equal to log of mod of t plus c, and your formula is log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus c. This is the third formula. Integration of sec x dx is nothing but log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus some constant of integration c. Here another formula is there which is equal to log of mod of tan of x by 2 plus pi by 4 plus some constant of integration c. This is another formula. After simplification you will get the same formula. Okay, you can do yourself. And last formula, you can prepare integration of cosec x dx. Integration of cosec x dx means what? Integration of cosec x dx. Let I equal to integration of cosec x dx multiply numerator and denominator by cosec x minus cot x plus cosec x minus cot x. This quantity means which is equal to cosec x into bracket cosec x minus cot x dx divided by cosec x minus cot x, and use substitution denominator equal to t. Put cosec x minus cot x is equal to t, differentiate with both sides, not with respect to x, because in left hand side you can take differentiate with respect to x and right hand side differentiate with respect to t. That's why only write differentiate both sides. What is the derivative of cosec x? Minus cosec x cot x. Minus cosec x cot x. And what is the derivative of cot x? Minus cosec square x. And dx is equal to dt. What can I make in this case? In this case, take cosec x common. Cosec x into bracket. Here minus plus. 1 cosec x take outside the bracket, only 1 is remaining cosec x. And here cosec x you can take outside the bracket minus cot x into dx is equal to dt. Therefore, numerator is our dt and denominator is t. Means I is nothing but integration of dt divided by t means 1 upon t, which is equal to log of mod of t plus c, means log of mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c. Therefore, fourth formula, integration of cosec x dx is nothing but log of mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c, or another formula log of mod of tan of x by 2 plus c. Log of mod of tan of x by 2 plus c. Half angle formula is there. After using half angle, you will simplify and you can remember that formula. Log of mod of tan of x by 2 plus c. What is? These are 4 standard formulas. But for tan x, there are 2 different formulas. Only looking for different, but both are same. In cot x, only one formula is there. Similarly, sec x, there are 2 different formulas, but after simplification, both are same. Similarly, cosec x, there are 2 different formulas. You must remember all standard formulas. Okay. After this standard formulas, you remember important result. Important result. What is the use of important result? Important result important results. Using important result, you can tell them direct answer, not necessarily use substitution method. Not necessarily use substitution method. Directly you can tell them answer by using important result. There are three important results. Number one, integration of f of x raised to n into f dash x dx is nothing but f of x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus some constant of integration. This is just similar to our standard formula. Integration of x raised to n dx is nothing but x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Here x is present, therefore derivative of x is 1. That is in front of that. But in this case, in general result, not only x but also f of x, means any function is there. Okay. Second important result, integration of f dash x divided by f of x dx, which is equal to log of mod of f of x plus c. This is very important formula. Just I am using 4 times this result by preparing standard formulas. Every time you will get 1 upon t dt. 1 upon t dt. What is the derivative of t? 1 is our numerator. Therefore, integration of this quantity is nothing but log of mod of t plus c. Means log of mod of denominator. Means in your problem, derivative of denominator is our numerator. That time integration of that quantity is nothing but log of mod of denominator plus c. Very important general result. And 3, integration of f dash x divided by root of f of x dx, which is equal to 2 times root of f of x plus some constant of integration c. By remembering these 3 important results, easily you can tell answer of any problem. But problem must be in that case. For example, integration of sec square x divided by tan x into dx. What is the integration of this? You remember this identity or important result second, and observe the problem carefully. What is the derivative of denominator? Derivative of denominator is nothing but sec square x, that is numerator, means f dash x. In denominator any function, it may be trigonometric or any other, but derivative of denominator quantity is a numerator. That easily write out the integration log of mod of denominator plus c is the final answer. Directly you can tell them, not necessarily use substitution method, because these important results are getting after substitution method. By using substitution method, in this case use substitution f of x is equal to t and simplify, you will get the answer. Here f of x is equal to t, you will get this answer. Every time put f of x equal to t and you will get the answer. Therefore, these 3 important results are very useful for solving examination. Okay, then come to next point, standard substitution. That is also essential. Standard substitution. Standard substitution. You remember in this way. First of all, function function, and here remember standard substitution. Standard substitution. You prepare a table in this way, and this is one of the useful table. If your integrand quantity is like this, under root of a square minus x square, under root of x square minus a square. It may be in numerator, it may be in denominator, but integration of root of a square minus x square or only a square minus x square. It may be numerator, it may be denominator, but function is like this. That time use standard substitution x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta. What is second, in root of a square plus x square or without root a square plus x square. This quantity is present on numerator or denominator. Use substitution. Put x is equal to a tan theta or x is equal to a cot theta. Okay. If under root of x square minus a square, it may be square root or without square root or numerator or in denominator, anywhere use substitution x is equal to a sec theta or x is equal to a cosec theta. Okay, then in root of a minus x divided by x, in this case use substitution x is equal to a sin square theta. X is equal to a sin square theta. Suppose root of a minus x and denominator a plus x. Try to understand. What is the standard substitution? X is equal to a cos theta. You will get in half angle formulas. I will simplify this question. Okay, then next. This is fifth, sixth. If root of a square minus x square divided by a square plus x square, in that case, use substitution x square equal to a square cos 2 theta. A square cos 2 theta, and at the last root of 2ax minus x square, x is equal to 2a sin square theta. These are the standard substitutions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Remember these 7 standard substitution, then you will get easily solution. Therefore, these are the standard substitution. You must remember this quantity may be present in numerator, may be denominator, root is there, without root is there, apply the same substitutions. Okay, remember these. This is enough today. We'll stop here.